everybody, it's Big Dave. I'm your host today for Sitting on the Toilet. Howdy and welcome to Through the Internet. I'm your host, Big Dave. Today we'll be just looking at, taking a little gander, a little peek, a little sneak, a little creep at some videos I found on Reddit. Bam, bam, bam. There's really no rhyme or reason to these videos, so let's just jump right into it with the Pack-a-Punch Logan Paul. I can't stop to talk. No.
Punch your fist into the air and raise a rebel yell. There's such a bandits out there, you need to send the heck. Cha-ching.
Get it? Because the hair. He has noodle-like hair. Get it? Look. They're even hard and crisp like pack of noodles. Pack-a-punch. So that's the upgrade. So I guess you can pack-a-punch it one more time to get the beef seasoning. Here we have some sadly rejected local ads. Random businesses around the place they did them for.
Okay, we'll see you later. Mattress. City Fort!
It's a shame these weren't picked up for local ads. Because look how much heart went into that. I mean, what did he drop on himself? A plastic garbage bag with some twigs. And that expression he gave, that looks like a man in pain. The guy who barely hit his head on the ceiling, he's got to go see a doctor and get some brain surgery done. He just caused his skull to collapse and crush into his brain. Alright, so next up we have a little video called Dr. Pepsi. It's like a little ad. And let's get with it. I'm a big fan of pop, so this should, hit right to the cholesterol with me.
Dr. Pepsi. Okay, this is this great new soda we put out. Okay, it's high in cholesterol, high in sugar, great for you. Let's see, what else? There's lots of fat, lots of calories. Oh, and
I wasn't even playing the cholesterol thing. I'm gonna need a little soda pop.
Come to Mars. I think it's just, that hair.
See, we're only 35 seconds in. We have about a minute 15 to go, but I'm a big fan of this because I've always viewed soda pops as this kind of like
Goo Lagoon.
black lagoon, this kind of thick, dark liquid that would kind of bubble, and that kind of what it does in your stomach. And this is a pretty good representation of, I think, what a soda pop could be, because what the hell is black in this world? The liquid that you drink just ain't natural. But this is definitely turning my soda craving on. So let me just prepare myself a little quench before I get any more thirsty. And I ain't gonna say good for you. Look at this, the Black Lagoon. That's
Goo Lagoon.
Chop off
Tell
the
me
plant.
more.
Well, it's a little bit of that sprinkled in.
No.
So if you get stabbed, it's from hard hair that had split ends. Also, it comes in a bright, hot orange, glow-in-the-dark can. And while you're sipping, if you burp into the can explodes. It is one of the gnarliest parts, but when it explodes into 5 tiny different little cans. And they all fill up with soda. Now, none of this is true, of course, except that it's high in cholesterol and fat and all that. Now, I've really got to get going. I gotta think of a few more things to
well, that gets a 10 out of 10 for me. You know, I'm a big fan of Sody Pop. So that hits right, like I said, right to the cholesterol. Here we have a super quick one. It's called What's Cooking Good Looking. You know, I'm a big Hank Williams fan. So,
Little roasted
let's
vegetables
see
never
what
hurt
this
anybody.
11 seconds of glory is like. That was only self-defending himself. I mean, as far as we know, he's cooking at home alone. He's in his underwear, relaxing, and this random stranger comes walking in. Starts slowly walking up to you, saying, "Hey, good looking, what's cooking? Little roasted vegetables, eh?" I'd do the same. Oh, here's a little longer one. We have a guy that blow dries his tongue and then eats a cracker.
Hey, how's it going? Yeah, so a couple of my subscribers asked me to,
I
blow
don't
dry
know
my
why, but his hair
tongue.
just looks like a
I don't know why.
nice spread of
Wait,
Jif
that's not even
peanut
true.
powder.
No one even asked me to do that. But I'm gonna blow dry my tongue right now. And after that, I'm gonna eat these crackers. Just because I thought it'd be really weird. Have you ever, had your
I
tongue
wonder if
all
he ever
dry?
tried chewing on his
You can't
hair.
even tell. You can't even tell if it's your tongue anymore. Because you can, feel this thing in your mouth. It's a little dry.
I'm filming this on 420,
Anyway,
y'all.
I'm gonna do that kind of thing on purpose.
I think this guy
So first
understands
I'm
the
gonna
gist of it.
get it with some napkins. I got this napkin for free.
He's
by the
drying
way.
out his tongue before he blow dries.
Oh.
I guess he wants to see
Yeah, I'm just
absolute
kind of dry it
dryness,
out.
what it would be like. So, props to
Get the
him,
moisture out.
Mr. Scientist.
It's kind of replenishing itself.
So
Anyway,
he thought about
Hopefully
this.
the-
This wasn't just some
blow dryer will
hot
be good.
brain
for that.
idea.
Don't try this at home. It might be dangerous. I guess I'll find out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm feeling it.
fucking Satan's dick right there.
Oh my god.
This is what the state of Florida looks like. This is Florida, the state of Florida all year long.
It's happy, right? Oh,
Oh, that was even the highest power. He's picking it up a notch. Look, he's going in there with the white. He ain't giving up. Well, he's done now.
okay.
A pigeon.
Okay.
He can barely talk.
I feel like I have a
Well, he
pigeon in
wasn't
my mouth.
talking all that well before, but
Oh, can't believe I just did that.
I
Oh,
love pigeons.
like
I was just thinking of this nice fluffy bird
attached
sandwiched
to a
between
baby
those gums.
pigeon in my mouth. Oh.
It's not even going down his mouth, it's just staying in there.
Oh. Nothing. Oh. Nothing.
Gotta roll it back if he does that. He's gotta drink something, he's gonna
Oh.
not choke, but what's the word?
Alright. Oh. Wow.
Yeah. If he ain't careful, he's gonna roll that thing back and
I
choke
know
on his
nobody
own
else has to do it. That was weird. Oh.
bowled up thing of cracker.
I'm starting to feel my
Oh.
tongue again. So.
I like at the last second there's that like bit of
Don't
panic.
do that. Don't do that. Never.
Like you're in a situation and like it's not okay and like it hits you like this ain't okay, I'm not safe. I think that was his situation.
Never. It never.
Here we have a little red-footed tortoise, hairy cane, animals, pets, and reptiles. 2 bottlenecks and a Heineken. Up next we have the little Soviet toothbrush ad. You know, you gotta get kids
When you
while
brush
they're
with new
young,
tooth
while their
tooth.
minds are very malleable like putty. Oh, you always gotta appreciate a good communist meme. I'm a little creeped out with Landon blocking the doorway, not letting that girl out of the bathroom, but you know, cuts there. I ain't gonna judge it till I know it. Here we have the burrito. You know, that's living life, but dude, you picked up a burrito, you gotta thirst it down with a nice cold Pepsi you just left on the, that was just laying on the ground. You had the burrito, but you could have got a Pepsi with it. You know, this dude would have been living the life, you know, the living dream. When I saw this real quick when I was searching for videos, and I thought, like, I wanted to put this in here because this dude, I thought, had it made. But now looking at it, how he picked up the burrito and he walked by that Pepsi can, you know he's going to be taking a few bites into that and be wishing he had a Pepsi. And one of the greatest feelings in life, whenever you have something that's enough, where you don't have to worry about running out of, like, you can use as much of it as you want and there's going to be plenty left over. That's how you have it made. Now for our last video, I want to apologize. It's been a while since I made a video, but this is a very spicy video. We have a crackhead crawling through the sewers singing Amazing Grace in
What do you
East
got, a
Gailey,
flashlight?
Florida.
Yeah.
Gotta love Florida.
Where'd you go in?
Huh?
Where'd you go in?
On the side.
On what side? In the retention pond over there?
Yep.
Looking for your cat?
Huh? Yep.
Oh, you got yourself in a fucked up position, man. Are you
This
hiding
is
from
some
somebody?
Shawshank Redemption stuff right here. This
So
addict's
what the
probably
fuck are you doing in here?
tweaking right now,
Amazing.
thinking about that. I like how this dude like just heard this stuff and it could have been 2 a.m.
This is
Just
fucking
stopped in his
nuts.
track, started filming his.
This
Just
some
like he's
shit
at the
straight
scene
out
and
of
he's like,
fucking
what the
horror
hell's going on?
movie.
Yeah, he even said like this is like a horror movie. This is signs of being killed.
Yeah, dog, you
I'm
in the
impressed you
fucking
remember
gutter,
really
man.
climbed in through.
You ain't kidding.
What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know, bro. I was following instructions.
There ain't no fucking
How deep
instructions
down
here,
is
man.
That dude's about to like lurch out, break through the bars, and eat his spleen. And only his
Pickett, what are
spleen.
you doing?
He's gonna be
I had a
the
fucking Allen key.
spleen eater psychopath.
How the fuck am I gonna get out?
You're stuck, man. You're stuck in the goddamn gutter, man.
Oh, I didn't realize how close he was gonna be.
Is it Derek?
No, it ain't Derek, man.
That's
Derek.
Well, I ain't your buddy. Yes, I am tonight, man. You fucked, man.
Yeah. Sorry, bro.
What the fuck are you
his
doing?
fingers.
You're trapped in the goddamn gutter, man.
Yeah, I know. I see that, bro.
I had to call you some help, man.
Hang out.
I've seen this video before, and that's the first time I've ever reacted to it. Every time I've seen it, it was on like my phone, but I'm watching it blown up on my TV. And thank you for watching. This has been another episode of Through the Internet. I hope you enjoyed your time here. If you did, hit a like, subscribe. But most of all, thank you for getting this far. And the diabetes don't get me, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, that's good.